Hello everybody. Welcome to another FM Signals Info Show video edition. My name is still Dabergalt from good old Germany, and I will give you a technical analysis and synthesis about another cross trade for the last 24-23 hours on Friday. Tonight the pound yen, so analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. Okay guys, it's Friday, it's high noon. Let me say honestly, Friday 16 March 2012, high noon, Central European time, of course, 0006 on Friday 16 March 2012. Once again, I want to give you a technical trading capability for the last 24-23 hours, and choosing the pound yen 5-minute charts, the beast, very busy, very sharp rise in the last hours, days, and yes, 1 to 3 weeks also. However, yes, very sharp rise, and I'm thinking I will try to sell or try to buy the yen even in the next minutes or hours, and hoping to make some pips on Friday and perhaps next week again. Perhaps yes, try to give you a sell signal even for a consolidation in the yen, and yes, in the rise of the pound, but not generally. So I wouldn't say generally selling at all pound cross rates and buying all yen cross rates for Friday and next week. So analyze the stuff again, of course, it's still yours, and buy cross rates and cross rate and trade to trade. So even like stock picking, how do you say in English, in the equity markets. However, let's come back to this one, the piece, pound yen, and the reason why I'm choosing this one is here we are seeing also the yearly highs, the highs of the year, and we see this week we create a lot of, and yesterday here we are at yearly highs, roundabout, not much, 550 pips roundabout, and I would try here high of the period, in this case high of the actual year with the Fibo lines. The Fibo lines we didn't see here perhaps you can see it here roundabout 128.3117. It's the first one, so perhaps we will get a consolidation here roundabout on the March lows here. So perhaps we will get, I don't accepting a consolidation tomorrow or next week, perhaps next week, who knows, because if we saw the bigger picture, we've got in the pound yen a very sharp upside, so I would try to sell this, but stay cautious. It's a very sharp, high speculative, how to say, contrarian trade, so nothing speaks from the technical view. Let me say honestly, if we saw this picture, to sell this cross rate, but perhaps is this the reason why I'm selling it? If you, yes, so yes, that's it. Perhaps it's too much euphoria in this cross rate from the psychology side, So even when the base died in the panic, in the paranoia, the upside trend dies in the euphoria. And I'm thinking, not certainly, but I don't think that pound yen is enough. So go higher, but not. I'm not expecting it tomorrow and the start of the next week, perhaps. Yes, end of next week and 1 week later. So, and even I would much more, yes, give you a trading capability to sell the cross rate. Okay, let's go a little bit further or faster. Here I'm painting this line. Here something like about the yearly highs. Here of it was Wednesday. Yes, here we've got the Thursday highs and the lows, and we are back on track. So I would try to take this area as a sell area. So here. By the way, I'm painting here the lows on from Tuesday lows, and we see we created on Thursday here after Wednesday highs. Here it was an how to say turnaround. So this upside trend works. We are still in line, and here the lows. So I would take here a contrarian position. So nothing speaks for lower prices. So I would try to sell this cross rate roundabout at 0.12 Friday morning, 16 March 2012, 131.29, and create a stop here roundabout highs, yearly highs. So these are 50 or 35 pips, of course. And yes, the first target should be break this line and second this line, and then we've got enough space for lower prices. Perhaps not on Friday, perhaps next week. So I would try to hold this this trading capability over the week. So, however, here's the upside trend, the high of yesterday, or on of yesterday morning. Asia trading session and New York trading session, or a little bit after, and we are trading here on this line. So that could give me something like an entry area. Yeah, that's all, or no, that's not all. Here I'm painting also moving average, and this average here we see the weekly average and the daily, and we see here we fall off of the daily and we are back on track. And I would choose it once again as a contrarian indication, and perhaps here to fall back even on the weekly moving average. So, however, I like the stuff again. Thank you for watching my video and spending your time. Have a great Friday trading day. Have a much greater weekend. Great spring feelings here in Europe. I'm hoping wherever you are also too. Enjoy the sky blue, enjoy the sun, enjoy life, and talking to you on Monday. Have a great time. Bye bye. Best wishes from good old Germany, Stuttgart.